guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be continuing on with our fall videos by doing a November plan with me. I'm so excited for this video. I spent so much time getting this video ready for you guys. I love a spread so much and I hope that you guys enjoy it too. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more awesome fall videos like this. I'm so excited to get into more fall videos for you guys. Let's just go ahead and get on into it. Let's go! Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the cover page. Now this is probably a pretty complicated cover page compared to the other ones I have done. So first, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be writing November in all different colors in block letters all across one side of these pages. Now after that dries, we are just going to go over it with my Tombow brush pen after doing an outline with my Inkjoy gel pen. I know, two different pens, but still, I don't want it to bleed onto my quote page on the other side, so I decided to go over lightly with my brush pen. This will just cause a drop shadow effect and I think it looks really cool. This will take you a little bit more time, but it definitely is worth it in the end because it turns out really great. Now on the other side of this page, I just put a Polaroid. I think that this looks really cool and kind of contrasts this really bold left side. I think it kind of adds a little bit more space and kind of gives it a retro vibe. I just really like it. And so I took a picture of something that's orangey so that it'll kind of tie into my theme. And then all around it, I drew a lot of little doodle flowers, and under I just did a little calendar. Now under November, we're going to draw a simple banner. Now you guys can see what I'm doing here. Basically, you just need to do a box with two little flaggy things on the side, and then also have a little triangle. It basically looks like this. You guys can see what I'm doing. I really like how simple and easy this theme was. Now we are going to move on to my actual calendar spread. I usually don't do something like this, but I think it's cool to do a month in advance and plan out everything that I have over the month. I first took my Crayola Super Tips and went over the top and then wrote this month in all different colors, and then I just created a drop shadow with my Inkjoy gel pen. Then I wrote November under that. We are going to be moving on to the calendar. Basically, I wrote down all of the days of the week and then spread them all out as well as all the numbers under it to create a simple calendar. And then what we are going to be doing is taking all the different colors that we used on the top and just circling the letters corresponding to what we have on the day on the side. So for example, the 2nd, I had someone's birthday and a party, so I circled it in a color and then I wrote it on the side in the same color. Now I think that this is really cool to plan it out. This was inspired by a Christmas card I found last year, and I think it was really cool. Also, it ended up being really colorful and I really liked it. Now, if you guys need more space, you could always spread out the calendar even more, but I found that this was enough space for me. I just had a few more under the calendar as well. Then I just finished off this spread with some washi tape. Now we're going to move on to my playlist page on the other side. If you guys didn't notice, I am not doing my monthly memories pages anymore because I am writing them down on a different notebook. And I think that this was a really cool way to just kind of block off another page and make it look really inspiring and cool. And also in the future, you could look back and see what music you were listening to. And I really like the idea of this spread. So I wrote a calligraphy playlist, but I left the insides open so that I could color it in with a orange super tip marker. And then I made it into headphones by putting little headphones on either side of the calligraphy. I did a few music notes around it. I also took some of the sheet music that I had left over and I just taped it all over the page. I think it looks really cool, almost like a collage, and I really like how this turned out. Now, if you guys haven't seen my September plan with me, I did it all music themed. So if you guys want to see in depth of how to do all these playlists, you guys can click the I in the corner. Now I'm just taping down all of the album covers of all the different songs that I liked listening to this month. I did 6 of them. And then under, I'm going to write down the name of the song and the artist that sang them. I cut off all the sheet music that was going over the edges. Now I really like how the spread turned out. I think that this is my favorite spread of the month, and I really like how all the colors complement each other. And that is all with this Plan With Me. Let's get on to the final reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. If you guys do like this video, make sure that you subscribe right here on the screen so you guys can see more videos like this one. And if you guys want to check out more videos, make sure to click the Watch Now button. I'll see you guys next week with another awesome video. Bye!